Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you getting a blank box when trying to save a PDF in Adobe Acrobat or Reader? It's an easy fix. Here's what you do. Open PDF document. Press Ctrl K to open Adobe Preferences. Click General on the left side. Uncheck the boxes for Show Online Storage when opening files, and also uncheck Show Online Storage when saving files. Finally, click on OK. Now when you save a PDF, you will see the normal Save As window pointing to your computer, not the blank box or the cloud option. And problem solved. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.